SaskTel Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our full review of SaskTel, one of Saskatchewan's leading internet service providers. Links to the product are included in the description below for easy access. SaskTel offers a variety of high-speed internet plans tailored to both residential and business customers, with a focus on providing reliable, fast connectivity across the province. Whether you're a casual user, a gamer, or a business looking for dependable internet, SaskTel has a solution that can meet your needs. One of the standout features of SaskTel is its access to both fiber optic and cable internet, with speeds ranging from 25 Mbps up to 1 Gbps, depending on your plan and location. Their fiber optic network is ideal for heavy users, such as households with multiple devices or businesses requiring reliable, high-performance internet for video conferencing and data transfer. SaskTel also offers unlimited data plans on many of its packages, so you won't have to worry about throttling or overage charges, ideal for those who do a lot of streaming, downloading, or gaming. Another benefit of SaskTel is its strong customer support, offering 24/7 assistance through phone, live chat, and online resources. The installation process is straightforward, and their Wi-Fi modem/router ensures that you have a stable connection throughout your home or office. For business users, SaskTel provides customized plans and enterprise-level services, including dedicated support and scalable options that can grow with your business. However, there are a few things to consider. SaskTel's fiber optic service is limited to certain areas, particularly in larger cities, so some rural customers may face slower speeds with DSL or cable internet. Additionally, pricing can be relatively higher compared to some national competitors, particularly for the higher speed plans. Overall, SaskTel is a strong option for those in Saskatchewan who need fast, reliable internet with excellent customer service and no data caps. Its fiber optic network is a key advantage for heavy users and businesses, although pricing and coverage may not suit everyone. Be sure to check out the description below for more details and links to get started.